Hello everyone, how to set up ElasticSearch version 8 in MacBook. So we'll come to this download page. In this download page, you'll see download and unzip ElasticSearch. So we'll download this clicking on this button. So once the download complete, you will have a zip file. Then you will extract this file and you will get a folder. So after getting this folder, you can go inside and see whether the binaries are there or not. After that, you need to open a terminal to that location. I will see whether my files are there or not. So I'll type a command ls. Now I can see whatever files I can see in my folder, all are present in here. Now I will write a command bin slash elasticsearch, no spelling mistake. Now I will click on enter. This will take a while. If any error appear, it will stop the writing the log. You will wait for file. So it will start printing the log. So while doing this, if you face any error, you can paste in the comment section. I'll try to help you to fix your error. Now this step is quite important. So here if you see that it has printed certain information regarding the password and the username which you're going to use in your URL while testing Elasticsearch. And also they are also sharing a token when you are going to set up your Kibana. After this video, I will be creating one more video to how to set up Kibana, so that later on this token also we need to save in a file so that you can refer it later on when I'm going to upload my Kibana video. We are going to use this token, but for now this video is only specific to Elasticsearch setup in macOS. So we are going to see whether my Elasticsearch is working or not. So this is quite simple. We will go to our browser again. We'll open a new tab. We will type localhost 9200 and we will click enter. Oh, something is wrong. Let me see. Okay, I know what I did. Yeah, so see, I also did a mistake. So by default in a browser it is HTTP. So while opening Elasticsearch we need to pass as HTTPS, which is means secure. Now we'll click on enter. So as you know that we are passing HTTPS, but there is no certificate installed. So we will ignore this because we know that this is our machine, so we can trust this machine and we can accept the risk and continue. So now see, it is asking username and password. So we need to enter. See here also you could see that whatever error it has thrown. So we'll copy the password and we know that username is elastic, 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 and then we'll paste the password. Now we'll click on sign in. So if you could see that my Elastic is working fine and it is printing cluster name, Elasticsearch, UUID, unique ID, my version, my build flavor, my build type, my hash, my date, and tagline is for search, because we know, right, that we are using Elasticsearch to build a search engine like Google. So that's all for this video. If you like it and if you want more, click that subscribe button and like button too. Thank you.